How to do a proper water test. We recommend using a Chemetrix test kit. This is for testing chlorine and chloramine in water. Test kit comes with a comparator you have here. Got your activator solution, which binds the chlorine molecules. It's going to make it turn pink. And inside this we've got little ampules. I recommend using the cylinder comparator to compare your sample. What you want to do is you want to run the water for about 1 to 2 minutes. We want to draw in fresh water off the street. If the water's been sitting stagnant in the plumbing system, you're going to get an inaccurate reading of how much chlorine or chloramine is actually in the water. I've got my water sample. We want to fill it up to about the 25 milliliter mark. I always like to use a white piece of paper to sit my sample on. See if it's got a slight tint of yellow, you know you're going to have a positive test. Once you've got your water sample, you want to pull an ampule out of the box. These are scored right here at the end to make it easy to snap off. On the bottom of this, there's little ridges. What you want to do is you want to slide this down, put it in the middle, snap it off. It's vacuum sealed. It's going to suck the water up on the inside. Then I use my cylinder comparator. Drop it in, and you can see this is from 0.1 to 1 part per million of chlorine. Average residential swimming pool has from 0.5 to 1.5 parts per million of chlorine in it. We're going to be at the top level here. We've got about 1 part per million of chlorine, which would equate to you got about as much chlorine as you're going to find in the average residential swimming pool. Okay, don't associate it to 1 part per million of chlorine. It means absolutely nothing to a homeowner. What does 1 part per million mean to a homeowner? Absolutely nothing. What you want to do is you want to associate it to something that they can relate to. A swimming pool is a great way. Average residential swimming pool has from 0.5 to 1.5 parts per million of chlorine in it.